8/22, 9:47 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and good morning to everyone on SMF Street. The thing that I would like to point out to you right here is that SMF has a mathematical worldwide ETF pricing system mechanism that is used to highly use as risk management controls on big portfolios and even little ones. You can. However, what we do specialize in is the worldwide risk management program that SMF offers. We offer that to everyone, and you can find out more about it. One of the ways that you can find out about it is to go to the website. You can see my pointer. Click on this free 5-day trial. This is what you have to do right here. Click on that and sign up. If you're serious about managing your assets, you want to be in our programs. We probably have, 75 different type of module training programs for all kinds of people. We also have that market maker trading division. We have lots of things. Find out by signing up here. And or if you want to get in our system, put your name, your email, and hit the sign up button there, and you'll be in the SMF database, and we'll be able to communicate with you if that's what you choose. So basically what you have to do is take that free 5-day trial. You can watch us during live market hours. These are the baskets of different type of volume weighted, SMF volume weighted, SMF mathematical weighted, and even mathematically weighted between the 52-week highs and lows. And like I said, we have a special, SMF has a analyzer called a volume analyzer, which is very sophisticated. It tells us when everyone is out of the stock, and it tells us when everyone is in. And the old saying is, one thing about SMF Street is that we love to buy when everyone has already taken their distributions. We also love to sell when people are crowded at the top and you start leaning to the left side of that trend and you need to get net short before they slide that bid and drop it down. That's the other thing that you'll learn at SMF Street, and that's something to be proud of, because you're going to be able to use many tools to diversify your risk. And you're going to be able to have pricing controls within these various ETFs. And if the U.S. is going to slow in growth at SMF Street, we downgraded the GDP ourselves. A year ago, we said it was only going to be at best 1.5% at year end, if not 1%, looking out into 2011, unless they do a bunch of stimuluses again. But anyway, I'm going to get down to the chart right now. And this is the chart here. It's called the index. It's an index, kind of like. There's lots of stocks that go into each one of these. But you have 16 million shares traded. You had the low at 50. You had the close. Previous was 50.84. But then the high was only 50.42. So that meant that there was some distribution on Friday in this particular fund. But it's a very diversified ETF around the world. And it's got the Far East involved in it. It's got the Asian Pacific Rim involved in it. And it's got Europe in it. So you got Singapore, you got various different things around the world that's in this ETF, that their growth has been better than U.S. growth. So this is a monthly chart, and basically we had a very long uptrend in 2003 to the tops up here, where we had that reversal. And this was a very nice run through 04, 05, 6, 7, till we got up here to the top with the financial collapse in emerging markets, and this went along with it. Since then, the recovery of it has been nice. It's come back up right here where it broke through this major artery and started to go up again and break out. So we're right there testing that at resistance. That was a lot of monthly resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months at that top. Now we've come back down And this was the breakout that occurred on 3/1 of '09, and we started to clear through there on 5/1 to those last highs. And we've had a 3-month shakeout to this major support line right here. And you can see that was where the breakout occurred over here on 9/1 of 2004, right there. Went straight up from there. So basically, this lower trend line at that last monthly support is very crucial. The good thing that you want to know is that this top diagonal line coming off of this top, or this big downtrend to the left side of the market, that's to the left. This is what the right side of a breakout looks like, right there. This is the left side. This diagonal trend is that it's trying to break this whole downtrend. This is part of the downtrend right here. These monthly moves are still a downtrend bounce. Bouncing off that is still in a downtrend. Yeah, it looks good. It's good to trade. Sure. That's what we do. But the thing of it is, you just need to know it's the overall broader picture of this downtrend. This line right here. So basically, let's kind of like take a picture of that monthly line. There we go. That's crucial. So if we stay above there, and the previous monthly bar would be bullish for the SMF Street traders and our worldwide traders. Remember, everyone qualifies to be at SMF. All international traders, you have your own international stock trading sign up, and you can be an SMF Street trader right away. You can. All you have to do is hit this sign up button. It'll take you there, put your name and your email and hit sign up, and one of the SMF representatives will contact you. So that's for international people around the world. Everyone. So basically, SMF Street is that on this monthly chart, as always, is the SMF monthly street bar. Half of that price holds. That means that the upper half of the move is going to hold, which is going to give this breakout, monthly breakout, support. If we fail and go below that line, then we would be going back into the weakening trend with the closing, monthly closing below it. And that's what the monthly chart. Quick snapshot of the weekly chart very quickly. It's very simple. SMF Street traders, you're sitting right here on that 10-week moving average, and that's at risk. So basically what we will do is we will use this weekly bar right there. That's a concern. This is the upper end of the SMF weekly bar. That's another concern. The lower end of that support has to hold right there at 49.24. Okay, and this is a weekly. So once again, it's a diversified ETF. This is the weekly charts, and as we start putting, if we go long, or we can short it too. We can make money when it falls. So we'll put together all the trades of the directional movements, SMF Street traders.